The book you're reading, the phone that's ringing, the chair you're sitting in, the house you live in. None of these would have been possible without the harvesting and processing of timber. In fact, timber has gotten us across oceans, has built nations, fed and educated people for centuries. And still today, it transmits, protects, and supports us every day. Trees are our past, our present, and our future. The R&B Timber Group was established in 1952 by the Armour family, a Christian business built on Christian values. The group's main focus has always been and remains to be on harvesting, processing, and pressure treating of wooden poles for both the domestic and international markets. The R&B Timber Group is the holding company of two main entities, one known as Harding Treated Timbers and the other known as Natal Forest Products, both certified by SABS and ISO 9001 regulations. We grow, harvest and treat predominantly Eucalyptus grandis, or what may be commonly known as gum. Most of our timber is harvested between 7 and 10 years of age. The bigger poles are used by clients such as Eskom and many other power-related companies, which are commonly known as transmission poles. The two treatment plants which we supply product out of are based in Harding and Richmond, situated in the heart of the green belt of KwaZulu-Natal. Harding Treated Timbers is extremely well positioned to an abundance of arable timberland, while Natal Forest Products is strategically situated geographically to local markets, raw materials, and very importantly, ports for export. So, how does it all work? Well, the timber is obviously planted, grown, and harvested by experienced timber operators. It is then sent out to our plants, where thorough quality inspections are carried out, dried to the correct moisture, and then ultimately is pressure treated by either creosote or CCA. A huge amount of emphasis and focus is placed on our hardpole brand, which is a distinctive hardpole tag, which helps customers understand that they are receiving the best product possible. This brand, which we are extremely proud of, is used to differentiate our poles in a marketplace saturated with low-quality poles. This product is our mark of quality and is our guarantee to you, as we use only dry A-grade raw material selected for treatment with no compromising on diameter classes. Between our own farms, leased farms, and various contracts we have in place with large corporates such as Sappi, Mondi, and Masonite, our timber supply is secure. We are able to procure the correct lengths and diameters from this vast timberland. We currently supply nationally throughout South Africa and have supplied many countries on the African continent such as Kenya, Tanzania, Rwanda, Uganda, Zambia, Mozambique, Botswana, Namibia, Benin, Angola, Sierra Leone, Ethiopia, and Senegal, to name a few. We realize the huge need for power to be distributed throughout the African continent, and it is our vision to engage in this by providing Africa with what it requires to achieve this. It is also our vision to play a big part in the eventual powering of Africa over the next century. Timber is 4 times cheaper than cement posts, and the steel price is even wider. So, helping build a better Africa is a big passion and advantage to us as a business. If product can't be delivered by road, we rely on experienced logistic companies to execute efficient shipping operations through the various ports. Our lead time for deliveries is unmatched to anywhere on the continent, or anywhere in the world for that matter. We pride ourselves on building long-term relationships with all our clients and have a capacity to meet large orders in a short space of time. This is because of our inherent passion for what we do, and it's what makes us industry leaders. There certainly can be no doubt that from the solid foundations, the future of the company, just like what it produces, can only be of the highest quality.